Hi everyone, this is Shantanu Pathak from Team AQ Job, and we have today with us Govind Verma, who's an alumni of AQ Job. We'll be asking him about his journey, how it went, how was his experience in AQ Job. He'll be telling us about it in detail. First of all, very warm welcome, Govind, and thank you for
Great.
taking out time to talk to us.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
we'll start with a short introduction about you,
Yeah, yeah.
how your college life was, and what was your graduation year, what was the branch you were from. So over to
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
Govind.
Yeah, of course. So first of all, thank you, Shantanu, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with EcoJob. So as you know that my name is Govind Verma. So I have done my schooling and BTech from the Faridabad itself, and I have done my BTech from YMCA University of Science and Technology in Faridabad. From and I have done my BTech in 2020 in electronics instrumentation and control. So
Okay.
I was far away from this software stuff, but after completing my BTech, one of my friend is suggested me. Basically, he's from first batch. My one friend
Okay.
from my class, he is from first batch. His name is Dipender Sivaj, and he basically shared me the information about the Echo Job, that these guys are really good. They are providing a good and well training. So at that time, I just know the C language only, not more than those things only. So I thought I should also try, and also at that time last year in 2020, that time was of full of pandemic. So many people
Mm-hmm.
are losing their job. So it was quite difficult to get job at that time. So I thought
Correct,
that
correct, correct.
just wasting the time is not good. So we can again do study. So after then I have applied basically for this echo job test, entrance test, aptitude test basically,
Mm-hmm.
and I got selected in that. And then they have basically her sir have taken my interview, and I got a chance to be a part of this good journey.
What attracted you to choose AQ job? What was that one thing which made you say that, this is what I want?
Basically, first of all, they are providing you training without a single rupee.
Correct.
They will charge everything after when you will get placed, when they will be able to place you in a good job. Then only they will charge fees from you. That is really a supporting point for me at that time. Otherwise,
Correct,
I
correct,
would also not be able to go through this learning actually.
correct.
So they have helped me
So
financially.
that's good to know, Govind. And that's our aim too, to help people get quality
Yeah, yeah, of
education.
course. Yes, yes.
So, how was your life during AQ job training? How many hours did you put? How was the learning experience?
Okay, so as I told you that after completing my BTech, so I came to know about this echo job after my BTech. So I have my whole day for this echo job. So I thought basically I have done work hard during my 4 years of BTech, but even after that I was not in the position to get a good job. So I thought just try again for last 6 months basically. Basically, echo job training is about 6 months. So I thought I can
Mm-hmm.
also try one more time.
Correct.
So I have put my whole day to the learning of echo job basically, because I was free from everything. So I have basically, you can say I have put it my whole day in echo job learning.
So, did you have any previous offer before joining AQ job from your college placements or somewhere else?
No, no, I did not have any offer.
Okay. So, when you started with AQ job, what was that one favorite topic of yours which you thought it's very interesting and new for you to learn? Apart from, as you
Okay,
said,
so
you had C as your language before, but
yes,
apart
yes.
from that, anything else that you found very interesting in AQ job?
Actually, first of all, everything whatever I have learned in echo job is interesting for me, because first of all it was new for me,
Mm-hmm.
and the teachers and the mentors were really good. They were teaching us in a very interesting way. So everything was really good for me. I can't say that
Okay.
I liked the data structure, I liked the front end. I liked all these things.
So tell us something about your company. How did you get into it? Or what do you do? And
Okay.
how has been
Yeah,
your
yeah,
journey so far?
yeah, of course. So basically, in the month of April, I think April. Yeah, in the month of April, I basically just shared the information about this HSBC drive in our group.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. So you
then,
work in HSBC, right?
yes, now I'm working in
Yes.
HSBC, Software
Yes.
Development Pune.
Tell us something about it. How is it and what's your
Yeah, yeah,
experience so far?
yeah. So basically, till now I have just come. I'm just now on 19th. I will complete my
Mm-hmm.
1 month in HSBC. So
Mm-hmm.
first of all, HSBC, it is a brand, as you all know.
Yes.
HSBC is
Yep.
basically a British multinational bank,
Mm-hmm.
and in India they have their software development company in Pune and Hyderabad. And HSBC is a bank from 1865. It is a very old bank. So in Pune and Hyderabad, it basically deals with all the softwares. It develop all the software only for the HSBC banks. So in HSBC, I'm working as a front end developer in
Great.
React.js.
So how did you get into it? Like, how was the interview experience? How many rounds of interview?
Yeah, of
How?
course.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in for HSBC, I have gone through basically 3 rounds. First round was related to aptitude and these data structures and two coding questions. That was the first round. And second round was basically a psychological assessment, basically you can say, to check the psychology of a person. So second round was about that. And third round was basically our technical interview. That is basically that was around HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So interviewer basically trying to know about the basic concepts, basically how deeply you know the basics of. Most of the time he put in the JavaScript basically. In HTML,
Okay.
CSS, he just given his 5 to 10 minutes, I think, and the rest of the times he taken my interview related to JavaScript only.
Great. Great.
And
So.
and after that there was a HR round, and HR round was basically a telephonic round. So in that
Okay.
he asked me some basically conditional
Basic
question,
HR questions. Yeah.
psychological question basically, like if if we have given you a target, if we have given you a project and you are working on a project and you came to know that you would not be able to complete that project on time, then what you will do in that case. So he just wanted to know our reactions. So I just said basically, sir, if first of all I will try to avoid such situation, but if it comes, then first of all I will discuss it with my seniors in company, and I believe they will definitely guide me. So that was my answer to him.
Great. Great, Govind. That was a smart answer. And
Yes, yes.
how is HSBC treating you? How are you enjoying your stay? Like, how's the culture there?
HSBC, first of all, I can say that the work-life balance is really good in HSBC.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, it has been 1 month in HSBC. I have never feel like that they are pushing me into some work forcefully. They just giving me a time to settle down in the company basically. So that is
Great.
a
Great.
quite different. I have never listened from my friends also.
So now you are in such a great company, HSBC. What would be your, piece of suggestion for the new guys who are coming in? What would you like to tell them? How would you define Echo job to them?
Yeah. I will just define that Echo job basically only needs hard work and only hard work from your side. Rest of the things will depend on them. They will arrange everything for you. They will arrange good mentors, good teachers for you. They will arrange interviewers for you. Only your work is to do hard work and hard work only. They doesn't need anything from you in advance. They just need your hard work.
So are you satisfied now that all the efforts and whole day that you used to put
Yes, yes, yes,
towards Echo
yes.
job now?
Yes,
So how
yes,
do you feel now?
I'm fully satisfied. Actually, I got many chances of interviews. That's why I'm fully
Mhm.
satisfied. I can't say that I have.
Any other companies and HSBC you gave interviews in?
Yeah, I have given interviews, but unfortunately, I got rejected in basically last rounds due to one
Okay.
DSA questions.
Mhm.
After 2 3 rounds, I got rejected in just because of one DSA question. So that
Not
was
a
my
problem. Yeah. Now you are in
uh,
a great company now. So
yes, yes,
everything happens for good.
yeah.
So anything else that you would like to share, like about Take Your Job? Anything for us?
No, no, actually, everyone is supporting EcoJob. So I can say if you have any problem, you can discuss with Yashvardhan. He is full supportive. He always listen your reviews if you have any. So
Mm-hmm.
there is nothing to worry to going
Okay.
with EcoJob, I can say.
So that was great, Govind. That was a nice talk that we had. And again, thank you very much for coming and talking with us, sharing your piece of information, sharing your
Yeah, yeah,
experience. I wish it will be of great help to other guys who are watching this.
yeah, yeah, of course.
And I wish you all the best. It's been a month in
Okay,
HSBC. I
thank you.
wish you all the best for your future endeavors and
Thank
career.
you, Shantanu.
And,
Thank you.
and thank you so much for taking out time and coming here.
Yeah, okay.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Shantanu.
It's good.